Valentine's Day is coming up, and I wanted to just give you a little inside look on how we do holidays. I love holidays. I love getting really festive. I try to make every holiday special. So for Valentine's Day, I have, of course, gathered up a lot of different ideas from Pinterest, as many heart-shaped fun foods we could find. I wanted to share a really fun new shop that I just found out about called Shop LC. They have so many great things, and I found a few items that were the perfect addition to my Valentine's theme dinner.
And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow.
Delicious.
This morning house so clear a light as any.
I really love this new shop LC, because everything is so affordable. I got all these things for less than $50, so it's just a great place to shop. Perfect for this time of year, Valentine's Day. They have so many great pieces of jewelry, lots of fun household items, lots of great gift ideas for you there. So Valentine's Day is coming up. By the way, do you like my sweatshirt? Perfect for Valentine's Day. I got it from Journey 5. Another thing that I love to do, and we've been doing it for a few years, is 14 days of love lessons. And I'll have that all available on my blog. If you want to go to wannabebalanced.com, you can download my free printable, giving you some ideas on 14 days of love. I was inspired by one of my friends, Connie. She's so amazing, and I learned so much from her. So check out my blog if you want to print out your 14 days of love lessons. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go find me at Wannabe Balanced, because I post daily pictures of my family and different pictures of my house and all the things that we're up to on a daily basis, plus Insta stories.